Greetings viewers, welcome to Four Bells, 1600 hours, Friday afternoon, UDON THANI, and it's the third night for yours truly of Songkran 2023. We're going to go for a walkabout from Adulyadet, pronounce it however you like, the Adulyadet Road, UDON THANI to Nong Prajak Public Park. Come along with me on CoffeeChillTV. How beautiful are those flowers, guys. It's a wonderful time of year, summertime in Thailand with the beautiful flowers. I'm going to put the camera away as I walk past here because I know I'm going to get wet, and that's cool too. Now, if you think you're safe because you're, 5, 10, 20 metres even back from the road, you're not. I just got hit with a long-range water gun. Had some fair power and, speed and distance on it. So, yeah, nowhere's safe. If you go out for a walk during Songkran in a major city like UDON THANI, you're going to get wet. Embrace it. Don't fear the wet. And it's almost like gunships. It's almost like a military sort of procedure when these trucks roll in, and there's sort of almost like jeeps and tanks versus ground troops. And it's good fun to watch, it really is. Becomes a bit of an arms race. Good to see old mate Farang getting involved as well. That's probably him with his missus on the back of that utility. And he's getting into the Songkran, and so am I. And I hope as you watch this video, so are you. And so what I've noticed, guys, over the last couple of nights here for Songkran UDON THANI, it's like block party time. Here we go. Woo! It's block party time, you know, street party, block party, family and friends coming out, and it's just great. All generations, local and foreign. We love Songkran. And folks, just like a wounded wildebeest attacked by a pack of hyenas, I just got drenched by the girls there, and I tell you what, it was welcome. It is very, very hot, dare I say toasty, and yeah, a little bit of water's all right. I put the camera away so it couldn't get damaged. Let's keep proceeding towards the mighty Nong Prajak Public Park. So you got the mighty base condo there, and I had a look at some condos, some units at base late last year. Decided not to proceed at that time, but you never know in the future. It's a pretty impressive complex, the base condominium. And these flowers are pretty impressive too, aren't they, viewers? I reckon. So that's probably donkey number 5 for this afternoon. Nice and cool too, nice and cool. So I often say hello and make a bit of chit chat as I go on these walkabouts, and I was just chatting to a couple of AJs before. Those who are not familiar with the acronym AJ, Army Jock. A couple of Thai Army Jocks, and one of them said to me hot, and I said lon muk muk, which is very hot in Thai, as many of you would know, and it's certainly lon muk muk today. There is a breeze. That's the good news. The bad news, it's a hot breeze. Okay guys, it's a wrap. We've arrived at the famous Nong Prajak public park. I hope you derived some pleasure from this walkabout video. If you did, well, you know the drill. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Either way, cheers. Cheers just for watching CoffeeChillTV.